In this video, we'll walk you through how Gigamon's Inline SSL Decryption works with Layer 3 tools. Traffic enters through the network's ingress point and is securely decrypted by the GigaSMART Engine. The decrypted data is then sent to security tools like firewalls for inspection, where NetPAT helps correlate sessions between clients, servers, and tools. After inspection, the traffic is re-encrypted and forwarded to its destination, all while maintaining performance and security across the network. Before we begin configuring Inline SSL with Layer 3 tools, let's go over a few prerequisites. First, make sure you have a Gen 3 GigaSMART card and you have configured the GigaSMART Engine port. This is essential for enabling TLS and SSL decryption. Next, have your private keys and certificates ready. These are required to authenticate servers, validate trust chains, and enable traffic decryption. We'll be using HC1 device and GigaView FM 6.12 to deploy the solution. We'll configure ports 1/1/x1 and 1/1/x2 as one inline network pair, and ports 1/1/x3 and 1/1/x4 as another. These pairs will then be bundled together into an inline network bundle. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly deploy the Inline TLS and SSL decryption solution with Layer 3 tools on a HC1 device running GigaView OS 6.11. Start by creating the inline network. Enable the required inline network ports. Then configure them as an inline network pair. We recommend that you select the traffic path as to inline tool. This ensures that decrypted traffic is forwarded directly to the inline tool, where it can be analyzed or used for enforcement actions. Next, create another inline network pair using ports 1/1/x3 and 1/1/x4. Now, create an inline network bundle by combining the two inline network pairs you've configured. Now, let's create the Inline SSL app. Select the appropriate GigaSMART Engine port. Change the settings under SSL Monitor mode. Set a keychain password to secure the certificates and private keys you'll add to the key store for the Inline SSL app. Add the primary key and certificate. Depending on the file type, the way you add these can be a little different. In this example, the keys and certificates are saved in a local directory. Browse to that folder, pick the primary key, and then add the matching certificates. Once that's done, repeat the same steps to add the secondary key and certificates. You'll now see the available deployment types: inbound, outbound, and hybrid. Inbound uses your server's private key to stop threats before they reach your applications. Outbound uses a trusted internal CA to inspect user traffic going to the web. Hybrid combines both server keys for inbound and assigning CA for outbound for complete traffic protection. In this video, let's choose the outbound deployment type as an example. Now pair the primary and secondary keys that you have added. You'll also see the advanced settings for your chosen deployment type. Select the default action as decrypt so that all the traffic gets decrypted and guided into the Inline SSL app. Enable NetPAT mode to offload TLS decryption to the GigaSMART Engine. It maintains separate client and server sessions, allowing the Inline Layer 3 tool to handle network address translation and port address translation, while Gigamon manages the TLS handshake and decryption. Depending on your scenario, you can explore and configure the other options that best suit your needs. Once all the details are in place, it's time to deploy your solution. Simply drag and drop the Inline Network Bundle, Flex Inline Map, and configure the required rules for the Flex Inline Map. You can configure rules to either pass or drop traffic. In this case, we are configuring the rule to pass the TCP and IPv4 traffic to the server. Now, drag and drop the Inline SSL app and deploy the solution. Once the solution is deployed, you can use the GigaSMART Inline TLS/SSL dashboards to gain deeper insights into session performance, network capacity, traffic decryption, and compliance analysis.